Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, we will discuss about how to install Kali Linux on Virtualbox. There are several things that need to be prepared. One of which is the Kali Linux ISO and also Virtualbox. If you don't have Kali Linux ISO and Virtualbox software, the way to download and install it is already in the description box below, so please check that out. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to get the latest content from this channel. And if you're done with the preparation, let's go to the tutorial. The first thing to do is prepare the ISO file of Kali Linux. If you don't have an ISO file yet, you can check the video in the description box below for the video on how to download the Kali Linux ISO file. If you have finished downloading the ISO file, we can continue to the tutorial. Open the Virtualbox software. If you don't have Virtualbox, you can download and install it first. There is also a guide in the video link in the description box below about how to download and install Virtualbox. In the top center, click New to create and set up the Kali Linux Virtual OS. Write down the name, also where the folder is stored, type, and version. If you have finished setting, you can click Next. Then we can choose the memory allocation that will be given to the virtual OS. Make sure to stay in the green area. Select the option Create Virtual Hard Disk Now. And then select a virtual disk image. And then choose Dynamically Allocated. And then choose how much storage will be allocated. Usually around 20 GB, but this depends on needs. When the settings are finished, you can start the virtual OS that we created earlier. These options will appear, and then enter the Kali Linux ISO that was downloaded earlier. Choose Graphical Install. In this step, you can write down your network hostname. You can leave domain name blank for now. Input your username and password for the user. Select Yes to install group bootloader. Select where to install the group bootloader. There is only one option here. Installation is complete. Reboot your Kali Linux to start using the OS. Installation is complete. Now you can log in using the username and password that you created earlier. And that is how to install Kali Linux on Virtualbox. Did you manage to do the installation? If you have problem in the process of this video, you can ask me in the description box below. That's all for this video, and I'll see you in another video.